In this video, we are going to solve the problems related to quartile deviation and its coefficients. So now let's look at the question. You can see the question in the screen, and now we are going to solve this question. Here I have drawn a frequency table, and now I'm going to fill the field respectively. Now I have filled all the classes given and I'm going to fill the related frequencies. So here are the related frequencies. Now we are going to calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay, so for the very first field, this frequency will be the cumulative frequency in this table. Now in the next, we add this frequency with this frequency. So 14 plus 18, we get 32. And now we add this to this field. Okay, so 32 plus 23, we have 55. Similarly, this 55 plus 18, we have 73. And this 73 plus 7 is 80. Now the sum of this frequency is 80, so we can write here n equal to 80. Now we have to find the quartile deviation. For quartile deviation, we need the Q1 and Q3. And the position of Q1 is n by 4 th item. So the value of n is 80. I'm going to put 80 for n, and 80 divided by 4, I get 20. And this is the 20th item. So the position of Q1 is the 20th item. Now let's check our table. Checking the table, we get the frequency greater than 20 is 32. So the CF greater than 20 is 32. Therefore, the Q1 class is 12 to 14. So the Q1 class is 12 to 14. CF just greater than 20 is 32. Therefore, Q1 class is 12 to 14. From this class, we get the lower limit of this class is 12. Therefore, L equal to 12. N by 4 is 20. And the frequency of this class is 18. Frequency is 18 and the cumulative frequency CF of the preceding class. Okay, so frequency is taken from the Q1 class and CF cumulative frequency will be taken from the previous class, that is 14. So CF equal to 14. CF is equal to 14. Now let's calculate what is Q1. Sorry, here we need the interval of the class, which is 14 minus 12, that is 2. Now we are going to apply the formula of Q1. The formula of Q1 is L plus I by F times N by 4 minus CF. Now let's put these values. Here L is 12 plus I is 2 by frequency is 18 times N by 4 is 20 minus the CF is 14. Okay, so from here 12 plus this one we can simplify, it will be 1 by 9, and this one 20 minus 14 is 6, and from here 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9, so we get 12 plus 2 by 3, and simplifying this we get 12.67. Okay, so this is our Q1. Now let's calculate what is Q3. Position of Q3 is 3 times n by 4 th item, and we know that n by 4 is 20 and this is 60th item. Now again let's check the CF just greater than 60 in the table. And the CF just greater than 60 in the table is 73 and its corresponding class is 16 to 18. Okay, so this 16 to 18 is the Q3 class. Now let's go to our solution. And the CF just greater than 60 is 73. Therefore Q3 class is 16 to 18. From here we get the lower limit is 16. Okay, and then now let's check what is the frequency of the class. Okay, but before that I have 3 times n by 4 is equal to 60, and what is the frequency? Let's check of the respective class. The frequency is 18. Okay, and the CF of the preceding class is 55. Let me note it down. That frequency is 18, CF is 55 and I is 2. Okay, 18 minus 16, that is the interval of this class, which is 2. Now let me apply the formula of Q3. That Q3 formula is L plus I by F times 3N by 4 minus CF. Okay, and this is, now let us put the value that L is 16 plus I is 2 and F is 18 times 3N by 4 is 60 minus CF is 55. So this is going to be 16 plus 1 by 9 times 60 minus 55 is 5. So finally I get 16 plus 5 by 9, and this will give me how much? Let me calculate. 5 divided by 9 is something equal to 0.56. So 16 plus 0.56, it gives us 16.56. Now we are done. We have Q3, Q1, and after finding out the Q1 and Q3, we say that QD is equal to QD, quartile deviation, is equal to half of Q3 minus Q1. Okay, so it is half times Q3 is 16.56 minus Q1 is, our Q1 is 12.67. Okay, so it is equal to half of this will be 16 minus 7 is 9 and 5 minus 5 is 4, sorry, this will be 14 minus 6 is 8, and this one is 15 minus 12 3. Here will be 1 by 2 times 3.89, is it equal to 1.99. Okay, it is 1.99. So the quartile deviation is 1.99. Let us calculate what will be the coefficient of quartile deviation. Formula to calculate the coefficient of quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. So just before we calculated the Q3 and Q1, let us subtract and add them. Here I have put the value of Q3 and Q1. Now let us calculate them. We get 3.89 divided by 29.23, and this is equal to 0.133. So finally our answer is quartile deviation equal to, what was our quartile deviation? Let me check. It is 1.99, and the coefficient of quartile deviation is 0.133. Friends, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching till the end.